Students, welcome back to your maths class. Now, in this week, it is just an revision of chapter 1 and 2, what you have already studied. So, today we will be covering the chapter revision part of chapter 1, integers. As the most important part in integers is the property part, which generally is students are getting confused in that, and mistakes are also happening. So I will just refresh the concept related to properties again. For that, I hope you have cleared the concept of division and multiplication of integers. Of course, addition and subtraction you have learned in class 6. New was division and multiplication of integers. So the most important part in this is your property, which is generally tough for most of the students. So I will be covering the property part of the integers. So I have taken some examples. Suppose it is the question is given, find the product using properties. Now here it is 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. In this, you don't have to straight away find the product, you have to use the properties. Now in this, you can use the associative properties. Associative means you can rearrange the numbers. You can take it in any way and find the answer. And associative, as I have discussed, is valid only for multiplication and addition, and not for addition, subtraction and division. So to make it easy and for using the properties, what I will do, I can combine these two first and these two. So I will take minus 25 into minus 4 multiplied by, now I will combine these two, that is 15 into minus 10. So minus 25 into minus 4, that is 100, because 20 minus into minus is plus, multiply by 15 into minus 10. So plus into minus is minus, 15 into 10 is 150. Or then find the product. 100 into 150 is 15000. Answer, don't forget to write the sign. Plus into minus is always minus. So again I am revising the concept of multiplication. Minus into minus is always plus, that is positive. Minus multiplied by plus is always minus, and plus multiplied by minus is always minus. Right? So with this concept you have to do the multiplication of integers. So here which property I have used? I have used associative property. You have to write in bracket here. You have to write as you have rearranged. You have brought these two first and then you have taken these two in another bracket. So you have used associative property. This is very important to write. Now second is 9 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 5. Now again you can rearrange. If you take these two as first, if you do the multiplication 2 into 5, minus 2 into minus 5 is plus 10, and then multiply by 9. So I am again rearranging so that it makes you to find easily the product in a very fast way. So I will take, again I will rearrange into 9. Again minus into minus is plus, 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 9 is 90. So your answer is 90. Which property you have used? You have used again associative property. Means rearranging the numbers, and so that your operations or your simplifications becomes easy. Now again, yes, how you can do this? You can either combine these two first, 12 into minus 10, or straight away you can do this and this multiply and again multiply by 10. So I will do it this way, minus 12 into 10. I will group in these two first and then 11. So this is minus into plus is minus 120 into 11. So 12 into 11 is minus 132. You can do it, 12 into 11. It is 132. Minus into plus is minus. I will place here 10. So this is your associative property. Again, and it is not necessary. In this case, you can combine 11 and 10 also. Get the answer and multiply by minus 12. It is also right. Okay. So again, which property you have used? You have used associative property. You are rearranging the terms. You are rearranging. So that's why the property is called as associative property, and it is valid for only multiplication and addition, not for division and subtraction. Now here, as in this third one, 8964 into 1 plus 99 into 8964. Now you can see in both these terms it is 8964 is common. Yes. So when you see such type of questions and there are two signs, multiplication and in between is plus, that is addition. So this is called as distributive property of multiplication over addition. In this you have to take common, which is what is common? 8964 multiplied by, taken in both the terms 8964 is common. Now what is left? 1 and 99. So 1 plus 99. So this is 8964 into 100. This is 1 plus 99 is 100. So 896400. So this property name is, you can, in short you can write distributive property. This is, as two signs are used, it is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now fourth one, again 1695 into 678 minus 695 into 678. What is common? 678 is common. Let it first, we will write like this. Multiplied by, we will write the uncommon terms. First term is 1695. Sign will be minus 695. In bracket, it will be uncommon terms or left terms. So this is 1695, you will write as it is, minus 695. So common term, write as it is. Solve this, so this will be 1000. 1695 minus 695 is 1000. Answer will be 6700. Which property used? Again, distributive property. Okay. Fifth one. 625 multiplied by minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. This is your exercise problem. Still I am explaining. Now 625 into minus 35. I can write minus 625 as minus 1 into 625 into 65. Now I will combine these two. So this will be 625 into minus 35 plus minus 1 into 65 is minus 65. Minus into plus is minus. So this will be 625 into minus 65. Again you can look, 625 is common. I will take it outside. Multiply by, in bracket you will have uncommon terms. Minus 35 plus minus 65. Solve the bracket first. This will be 625 minus 35 plus minus is minus. 625 is, this is minus 100. Minus 35 minus 65 is minus 100. Answer will be minus 625 00. Plus into minus is minus. Find the product. So this is little bit twisted. It was 625 here and it was minus 625 bus. So again, what property you have used? You have used distributive property. Right? Now, sixth one, 49 into 7. Again you have to use distributive property here. Now here, how you can do? You cannot multiply simply 49 into 17. You have to use properties. So to simplify, I can write 49 as 50 minus 7, 1 into 17. Now again distributive property, you have to bring in this form. 17 multiplied by 50 minus 1 into 17. So this will be 17 into 50 is 850 minus 17. Just subtract it. So this will be 833. So answer is 833. Now second one. So here also same is distributive. Here I have splitted it and then multiplied with the term outside it. So here it is 17, 49 is splitted as 50 minus 1 into 17. Multiplying 17 into 50 minus 1 into 17. 17 into 50 is 850 minus 17. Answer is 833. Now minus into minus is plus. So I can write 26 into 41. Now how to use the properties? Break 41 as 40 plus 1. This is also distributive property. Now multiply 26 with 40 plus again multiply 26 with 1. So 26 into 40, what it is? Yes, 1040 plus 26. So this will be 1066. Again splitting 41 as 40 plus 1, multiplying 26 with both the terms, and plus sign will remain as it is. So here it is, answer is 1066. Now here you can write minus 17 into minus 29. This is your exercise question. You can write as, I have solved in this way, but you can solve it same as this also. So minus 30 plus 1. If you want to remove the sign, you can do it like this also. 17 into 29. 29 you can split as 30 minus 1. Same answer. So minus 17 into minus 30 plus minus 17 into 1. So this will be 51. Minus into minus is plus. 17 into 3. 51. 0 plus minus 17 into 1 is minus 17. Now plus minus is minus. Subtract 510 minus 17. You will get yes 493. So this is, I have solved all the problems related with your properties, which here in this part you get confused. So first three are the associative property, rearranging the things. Second is distributive property. Here you have to take the common thing out, multiplied by uncommon will be inside. So this is distributive property. Next three, you have to split one term. That is how we have split it here. 49 I have written as 50 minus 1. And then again use the opposite to this. I have done and found out. So these 6 problems are actually of distributive property only. So be careful, understand. You can write in your notebook, no problem, it is just revision. You can write the topic, revision, integers. Do it. If still you are having any doubt or any query, you can contact me. Thank you.